In this guide, you will learn how to schedule YouTube video upload. When you do this, you set a specific time when you want your video to be published on YouTube. Whether you are online or not, that video gets published. So let's get started. I'll open my browser. Visit studio.youtube.com. As the YouTube Studio opens, click on Upload icon. Select Files. Then navigate to where the video is saved on your computer. This is the video I want to upload. As the video is uploaded, give a title to the video. Have your thumbnail uploaded. If it falls under a playlist, just select one. Then just select if the video is for kids or not for kids, okay? Once you are done setting up this necessary standard on the first page, click Next. On this new page, Studio you are set up. If you want to add an end screen, or you want to import it from a video, or you want to add it on your own, just do what you want to do here. All right. Once you're done setting up everything on this video element section, click Next. On this next page, the YouTube Studio scans your video to know if it infringes into any video that is existing on the platform or contains some words that is not acceptable on the platform. But here, I'm okay. It has scanned it and everything is okay. Say no copyright issues found. So click Next. On this next page, which is visibility page, this is where you will schedule this post. Okay, if you want to publish this book, if you want to publish this video immediately, check the option for public. Then what you need to do here is click on public, because I know you want people to view your video. Okay, then come down to this section. You can see schedule, so check schedule. Now set the date you want this video to be uploaded on this platform and the time. Today is September 5th, but it chose 6th for me. I want to still publish the video this same day, but I want a different time. So I will choose today. Okay, then the timing is where I want to change. So you set it the way you want it. So I want this to be published by, what's the time currently? I want it to be published by 5. So I'll scroll down and get to 5 p.m. Okay, look at 5 p.m. here, so I'll click on that. All right, so after that, the next step to take is click on schedule. And the next, click on close. So this video now has been scheduled to be published by 5 p.m. So once it gets to 5 p.m. today, it will be published. So I hope this helps you on how you can schedule a post on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please like this video by hitting the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that before, and then leave a comment.